Depression, major depressive episode in absence of any manic, mixed or hypomanic episode. So whenever we are seeing a patient of depression, we have to understand that we have to find a component. If there is any component of mania, then the diagnosis of depression will not be there. So here when we are talking about depression or unipolar depression, we see a major depressive episode in absence of any manic, mixed or hypomanic episode. This is one of the most common psychiatric disorder. The lifetime prevalence is 17%, which means 2 out of 10 patients will have a episode of depression in their life. It is twice as prevalent in women and the mean age is around 40 years. This is responsible for the maximum daily loss, which is disability adjusted life years loss. So this is one of the most, not only one of the most common psychiatric disorder, but it's also responsible for maximum daily. This is also one of the most common cause of suicide. This is generally more commonly seen in divorced and separated persons. We have to understand that depression can be endogenous or exogenous. Exogenous is nothing but reactive depression. Endogenous is depression without any external cause which cannot be explained, whereas exogenous or reactive depression is depression in response to certain life event, certain social event or certain, which can be explained, for which the origin of the depression is outside the patient. So exogenous and endogenous depression you need to understand.